Omoda 9 in for the Meta Trak Deadlock system. This is no tag, no starts, and also releases on push button. So even if the tag's in range, until you press the button, it does not start. So these to start, you put your foot in the brake. So we put our foot in the brake, nothing at all, can't drive. And if you watch, if we press the button, ignition comes on, selects gear, all nice and good. As soon as you turn off the ignition by exiting the vehicle, 2 minutes later, automatically rearms and blocks. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Total Elite Car Security 0333 012 9028.